Hi, I'm Dax Mohan. I'm a clarity and transformation coach. So, I wanted to have a wider reach with my online presence, and for which I was looking how I can get a website built, my landing pages, running my ads. I'd invested a lot of money, energy, resource, time on getting the best international and Indian tools, but unfortunately, I never got a solution to my problems. And that's when my friend Reena referred me to Jagan's 5-day workshop, the LMF workshop, and I immediately enrolled. And you know what? Even if you're a novice, at the end of the 5-day workshop, even if you do not know any of the how to use the tech and you absolutely have no idea about how to build a website, Jagan helps you in this 5-day workshop, and it ends in you building your own website. Now, isn't that amazing? And that's what the 5-day workshop helps you. It's a great place to be. I learned a lot of things, implemented a lot of things in this 5-day workshop,